In this video, I'll break down my top 5 irons, my experiences, and which iron I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order starting with the 5th ranked iron, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best iron and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have Hamilton Beach 14214. The Hamilton Beach steam iron impresses with its quick heat-up time, taking less than a minute to reach optimal temperature. Its durable stainless steel sole plate glides smoothly over various fabrics, effectively pressing out wrinkles while resisting scratches for long-lasting performance. The iron offers versatile steam options, including spray, steam blast, and vertical steam functions, allowing for easy adjustment to suit different fabric types. The 8-foot retractable cord provides ample reach during use and conveniently retracts for compact storage. Large indicators on the temperature dial make fabric selection straightforward, while the anti-drip feature prevents water spots on clothes. The iron's ability to handle everything from thick cottons to delicate silks makes it a versatile choice for all ironing needs. At number 4, we have the Black & Decker D3030. The Black & Decker Allure professional steam iron excels with its dynamic steam technology, providing over 30% more steam to efficiently remove wrinkles. This iron features a stainless steel sole plate that glides smoothly over fabrics and resists scratches, ensuring durability. The digital display and 5 pre-programmed temperature settings make it easy to select the optimal heat and steam levels for various fabrics, taking the guesswork out of ironing. Additionally, the iron offers a vertical steam function, allowing for convenient touch-ups on hanging garments and drapes. Safety is enhanced with an automatic shut-off feature, which powers down the iron when left inactive. At number 3, we have the Panasonic NI-WL600. The Panasonic iron is an exceptional cordless option that makes ironing a breeze. Its 360-degree freestyle sole plate allows for seamless movement in all directions, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords. With a powerful 1500 watts, it heats up quickly and delivers consistent steam output. The detachable water tank simplifies refills, while the auto shutoff feature enhances safety. Built with a sleek ergonomic design, this iron ensures precise ironing on various fabrics without snagging or pulling. The vertical steam function is particularly useful for drapes and hanging garments, making it versatile for both everyday use and specialized tasks. At number 2, we have the Rowenta DG8624. The Rowenta DG8624 Perfect Steam Pro delivers professional-grade ironing results with its impressive 430 grams per minute steam boost. This steam generator iron features a high-pressure boiler that produces 7.4 bars of steam, significantly reducing ironing time and effortlessly tackling even the toughest wrinkles. The patented MicroSteam 400 HD laser stainless steel sole plate is a standout feature, boasting over 400 active steam holes for optimal steam distribution. This design ensures efficient and even steam coverage, making it easier to achieve crisp, wrinkle-free results on various fabric types. With its 1800 watts of power and fast heat-up time, the Perfect Steam Pro is ready to use quickly. The generous 37-ounce removable water tank allows for extended ironing sessions without frequent refills. The iron itself is lightweight, promoting smooth gliding and reducing arm fatigue during use. Durability is a key aspect of this model, featuring a built-in calc collector to maintain long-lasting performance. The Eco Mode option provides energy-saving capabilities without compromising on results. Vertical steaming functionality adds versatility, allowing for easy touch-ups on hanging garments. At number 1, we have PurSteam PS-99LCD. The PurSteam iron is impressive and stands out for its advanced features and reliable performance. One of the main highlights is its easy-to-use LCD control panel, which allows you to select from 11 preset heating modes tailored for different fabrics, including synthetics, silk, wool, cotton, and linen. The double-layered ceramic sole plate is another significant advantage. It ensures smooth gliding over various fabrics and directs maximum steam through true position axial holes, making it effective in removing wrinkles with minimal effort. The iron heats up quickly, which is a huge plus when you need to get started right away. Safety is a top priority with the PurSteam PS-99LCD, featuring a 3-way auto shutoff system. This function automatically turns off the iron if left unmoved horizontally for 30 seconds, vertically for 8 minutes, or tipped sideways for 30 seconds, providing peace of mind and preventing accidents. The anti-drip system is particularly useful as it prevents water from leaking and staining clothes, even at low temperatures. Additionally, the self-cleaning feature simplifies maintenance, keeping the iron in optimal condition without much hassle. The steam output is consistent and powerful, making quick work of tough wrinkles on a variety of fabrics, from delicate blouses to heavy denim. The vertical steaming capability is a versatile feature, allowing you to steam drapes or hanging clothes effortlessly. While the water reservoir could be slightly larger, requiring more frequent refills, this is a minor inconvenience compared to the overall performance and convenience offered by the PurSteam PS-99LCD. So, that sums up my top 5 irons I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.